Get still here. Boy, bumper cars will never be the same. God, he's even scaring the dog. Yay, they made it back in one piece. Nice park job. Watch the fence. Woohoo! You did it! Were you driving?
There you go. Turn it off. Pull it towards you. All right.
Nice job, Mario
job.
Andretti.
That was awesome.
Good job, buddy.
What was that, a ride?
Clayton,
Yeah, you drove.
did you drive?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Those
look at that look on
crashes.
his face. Man.
That's super fun.